Today I'll be showing you the all-new Aptum VM1 dirt bike. This is the bike made for kids and the shock kings. First up, this bike comes with a DOT brakes, front and rear. For the kids, it comes with a magnetic kill switch. So check this out. The brake sensor will be automatically triggered once you pull this off. Comes with 2 keys. Parents, you can keep 1 key and then give your kids another key. This comes up to 40 miles per hour. Comes with front suspension and rear suspension. Long seat for riders who prefer to sit in the middle or closer to the front. You have all the seat that you need. It comes with e-motor, foot pegs, chain tensioner. Comes with a 2000 watt motor. This bike comes with a 48 volt 21 Ah battery. That means you can get up to 35 miles at a single charge. Comes with a front number plate that you can change out and personalize. Over here, I have a side-to-side comparison between the Altis Delta and the Aptum VM1. You can tell that the Altis Delta is a lot bigger and the new Aptum VM1 bike is a lot smaller. It's a true small pit bike. The Altis Delta is still kind of big for someone looking for a mini bike. Both of them comes with DOT3 brakes, but the Aptum VM1 is about 1/3 of the price of Altis Delta. The Aptum VM1 has a larger foot peg. I'm not comparing the speed. The Delta obviously has a way faster speed, but over here we are looking at just the size of these bikes. Both of them comes with removable battery. The Aptum VM1 comes with a screen. The Altis Delta comes with a tiny screen on the side, like the Talaria XXX. This is an extremely affordable option for customers who are spending less than $1,200 for a bike. This is a perfect bike to get. If you have any questions about this bike, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. See you on the next video.